Hello, my friends. If you've ever gotten any kind of salary job, as you were filling out all the HR paperwork they had you sign, they probably handed you a paper talking about their 401k plans. And you probably signed whatever they asked you to sign and forgot about it. But by not using that 401k plan, which I bet you're not doing, you were literally missing out on free money. So today, we're going to go over everything you need to know about 401ks. We'll outline what a 401k plan is, how a 401k plan works, the different kinds of 401k plans, and how they can get you free money. So let's jump into everything you need to know about 401ks. To start, a 401k plan is a retirement savings plan that is offered by many American companies. In a 401k plan, you can invest your money to grow across your lifetime. It's creatively named the 401k because it comes from the section 401, subsection K of the tax code. Yeah, I know, the government loves out-of-the-box naming. Anyways, the 401k is special because you get special tax benefits when you use it. When you sign up for a 401k plan, you can choose to have some of your money taken directly out of your paycheck each month and put into an investment account. This is a lot like how the government takes money out of your check to pay for Medicare and other people's retirement, Social Security. There are two different types of 401ks, traditional and Roth. For most people, you will probably just use a traditional 401k, but let's outline them both just for good measure. With a traditional 401k, your contributions are deducted from your gross income, which is your income before taxes. Because of this, your taxable income is reduced by the total amount of contributions you make in that year. So essentially, the government pretends like you didn't even make that money that you put into your 401k that year. So you don't actually have to pay as much in taxes in the year you put money into a 401k. As long as the money is in the 401k, you don't have to pay any taxes on the income you make from it or the money itself. It's only once you take the money out of the 401k when you're nearing retirement that you actually have to pay taxes on it. The other kind of 401k is a Roth 401k. Roth 401ks differ because rather than paying taxes when you take your money out, you pay taxes now and then you don't have to pay taxes on the profits when you take your money out in the future. So essentially, you don't get the tax benefits now, but you will get the tax benefits when you retire. The main way to decide if you're going to do a traditional or Roth 401k is by figuring out if you think you're going to be making more money now than you'll be making when you retire, or vice versa. People oftentimes assume that they will be in a lower tax bracket when they retire than when they're in their working lives, because obviously they're not working and bringing in additional revenue, they just have their saved money. Now, the cool thing about 401ks, both Roth and traditional, is that you can get a risk-free 100% return on your investment. This is done through a 401k match. In order to incentivize people to save for retirement, companies offer matches. Some will give you 50 cents for every dollar, and some $1 for every dollar. This means that if you max out your 401k in 2023 by putting $22,500 in, and your employer has a dollar for dollar match, you will make a guaranteed $22,500 risk-free. So if your employer has a 401k match, you should do everything you can to maximize it, as the match does not count towards the $22,500 limit. Even if they are like some companies and will only match to a certain percentage of your income, getting a free 10k is way better than getting nothing. Spending money now and turning down a 401k match is the grown-up version of the Marshmallow Experiment. Now, if you don't know what the Marshmallow Experiment is, you should definitely check it out. It's kind of hilarious, but it's essentially when they put kids in a room and told them that if you don't eat this marshmallow for 5 minutes, we'll give you another. They all ate the marshmallows. On top of the money that you make from your match, once you put your money into the 401k, you can usually select a mutual fund or other type of investment to have it invested in. These mutual funds are essentially baskets of stocks and other assets. Over time, mutual funds that match the general US market go up on average 8 to 10% per year, which means if you maxed out your 401k and had a dollar for dollar match for 30 years of your career, you would end up with a little over $5 million when you retired. Now, with all that money invested, you're going to want to know what to do with it when you change jobs or how to maximize it in retirement. And luckily for you, I have videos on each of those coming out in the next couple of weeks. So make sure you click that little subscribe button so you're able to see those when they come out. And if they're already out, they'll be linked here and here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.